When remodeling your home, wouldn't you rather create a space rather than just fill it? Stick around and we will be happy to show you the differences between the two and how it will affect the look of your home. Some people wonder what the difference between creating and filling a space is. A good example of filling a space would be using standard pieces to fill a given area. Where creating a space, we're working directly with the end consumer so that we're creating a space that gives them a personalized space that functions perfectly for their needs. One way to get started in creating a space would be to find a designer that you're comfortable working with, but also gathering a scrapbook of ideas or going online and putting together a portfolio of things that you find that you would like and need in your new space and sharing that with that designer. So creating a space allows us as designers to work directly with the consumer to create an environment that works seamlessly with the individual to create that ideal working space. One of the benefits of creating a space is it allows us to work directly with you to design a space to fit your lifestyle. I think the person that probably benefits the most from creating a space is the individual that spends a lot of time in their kitchen or the space that we're trying to help them design, and we can create a space specifically to fit their need. Creating space isn't always the best method of filling a space. If we're trying to do something as economical as possible, sometimes it's easier to use standardized pieces and it will help us keep the cost down. So we do ask that you please be mindful of your budget when creating a space, because when we get into custom features, they can obviously add cost to the project that just filling a space does not do. Creating a space can do wonders not only for your home, but also adds that personal touch that allows it to function perfectly for you. LJ's is here to help you get started.